It's Kevin here at EyouAgro, bridging farming needs with top-tier netting solutions. Recently, one of our customers asked a very meaningful question. This question could be helpful to others as well, so I thought I'd share it with you all. The question was, can external Aluminet shade cloth be installed in direct contact with greenhouses? While it might seem convenient, installing external Aluminet shade cloth directly on your greenhouse is not recommended. Here's why. Firstly, if the shade cloth is placed directly on the greenhouse, the supporting steel pipes of the greenhouse will absorb a lot of heat from the sun. This high temperature can cause the Aluminet shade cloth to age rapidly, significantly shortening its lifespan. Additionally, direct contact installation can lead to water accumulation during rainy conditions. When the Aluminet shade cloth is constantly soaked in water, it can easily get damaged, further affecting its performance and durability. Our recommendation is to install the external Aluminet shade cloth with a gap between it and the greenhouse roof. By maintaining a space between the two, you allow for air circulation, preventing the issues of high temperature and high humidity. This method not only protects your shade cloth from rapid aging, but also extends its overall lifespan. If you have had similar concerns, I hope our explanation is satisfactory for you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.